Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, we are running through all of the recipes inside the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. All of these recipes are kidney and beginner friendly. There is a link in my caption to grab this book on Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into it. Today we are going to be making Valencia lemon tofu bowl. For this recipe, you're going to need extra virgin olive oil, tofu, cucumber, carrot, some dill, and parsley. You're going to need some lemon juice. So our first step is measuring out 5 ounces of tofu, and you want to pat this dry after before cutting it into cubes. I'm going to grab my scale. And we're going to pat this dry. And then we're going to cut this into cubes. So we're gonna go heat up 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on the stove, and I will be back. So we're gonna take our tofu and saute it in the pan and remove it once it's golden brown. So we're gonna add the tofu in, and we're just gonna leave this for a few minutes. So now in a bowl, we're going to mix 1/4 of a cucumber. And we're just gonna cube it. And then we want to grate 1/4 of a carrot. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of dill. We're also going to add a teaspoon of parsley. I'm just going to chop it up a little bit. Give it a little mix. And this is what it looks like. Now that our tofu's done, we're going to add them to the plate. Okay, and here's what it looks like. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna try the salad. The salad has a lot of flavor, but you can't really taste the dill. So I think with dill, it's something that if it sits in something for a longer period of time, that's when you start to like really taste it. Salad like this sitting overnight would taste a lot different the next day, but I still think it's really good. It's really refreshing with the cucumber and the lemon. So I actually quite enjoy this, and it's not something I'd ever think to put together. And the tofu is cooked well too, so together I think this is really nice. Again, another nice barbecue or even just like summer meal. This salad I'm actually very pleased by. So if you want to try something different, I know salads can get really repetitive. So if you want to try something different, I definitely recommend trying this. A reminder, this is where I got the recipe. It's available on Amazon, and there's a link in my caption. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.